that started on 1st August 2024, and wish to hereby condemn in strong terms the attendant loss of lives, properties, livelihood, and strident clamors for a hostile and undemocratic change of government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As patriots, we in MNR stand in solidarity with the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and urge it to expedite action in bringing succor to the plight of citizens without any further delay. It is pertinent to draw the attention of the federal government to the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy that states that security and welfare of the people shall be the primary purpose of government. In this regard, we in MNR wish to hereby convey our condolences to families that lost their wards during the protests and pray for speedy recovery of those who sustained injuries. At this point, we'll observe 1 minute silence for our citizens that lost their life during the protests in honor of them.